The turmoil that Garissa town has been reduced to. After the killing of 3 KDF soldiers Monday and subsequent alleged assault of civilians and destruction of property by the military officers in the pursuit of the killers, residents early Tuesday morning vented their frustrations on the military, jeering and stoning their vehicles. Gunshots soon filled the air, with residents taking cover everywhere and some falling victim. The cameraman and I were not spared in the ensuing melee. Something the military later said it did in self-defense. A woman succumbed to bullet wounds at the Provincial General Hospital.
Up to now, we have received 15 casualties, and out of them 6 are gunshot injuries, of which currently they're undergoing treatment.
On Monday, the hospital received 45 patients, 2 with bullet wounds, with 1 referred to the Kenyatta National Hospital, many claiming to have been assaulted by the military. The residents angered and trying to come to terms with the devastating aftermath of Monday's swoop. The town's economy brought to its knees with its largest open-air market razed. Something also blamed on the military, although they have denied it.
Mtu ameuliwa kuliko ufanye investigation, kuliko instead of bringing the civilians and the raia closer so they can give you information when you do this sort of thing to the civilians. Would anybody come to you and give you any information?
Sisi tumefanya nini? Wakati raia sisi tunapigwa. Tumefanya nini? I want the Chief Justice to listen to this. I want all the forces that stand for human rights to listen and come to Garissa.
Defense Minister Yusuf Haji later arrived in the area, and when asked whether he authorized the military deployment.
That is a stupid question to ask. I'm not a person who can say that sweeps will be, it's not my duty. There's a Provincial Security Committee and District Security Committee who are responsible for the safety of every citizen here.
Are you aware that such a thing was carried out?
Well, I have seen what happened. So, and as I said, it is going to be investigated.
The same question popped up in Parliament, where Lagdera MP Farah Maalim from Garissa County sought answers.
Who gave the orders for the operation in Garissa? How many people were killed? In addition to the 3 Kenya Defence Forces officers who were gunned down by terrorists.
The latest situation was triggered by the killing of 3 KDF soldiers who were ambushed by suspected Al-Shabaab sympathizers and killed on Monday. Until now, the assailants, described to be in a group of 5 to 7, are still at large, while suspicions continue to grow in Garissa. Well, this is now what Garissa town has been reduced to. A government turning to the people for answers, and the people clearly losing confidence in the government to protect them. Hussein Mohammed, Citizen TV in Garissa town.